Hi and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am working on printing February's release from MatMireMakes. I've been a bit delayed. It's currently I think the 2nd of March, and this was released last week. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this release. It looked pretty cool, and this is the first time I'm printing it. Although I did just notice that. Oh, that looks like it's going to be a failure. So I might need to restart it. I've been having a few beta heating problems. This is I think the second or third time, well at least the third time I've tried printing it. But I think it just means that I need to give my print beds a good clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause that on the menu. And then yeah, I'll clean that off and I'll give the build plate a good clean. And then I'll get restarted. So I've got both build plates clear now. So I'm going to take them into the kitchen and give them a bit of a clean. So step 1 is to fill the sink with hot water and to put some dishwashing detergent in, get nice and soapy. Make sure it's not too hot, which that feels really hot to the touch, but hotter the better, because you want to try and break down all the oil and stuff that may have going on the build plate, and you want to pretty much wash it all off. I have the build plate back on the printer, and from the looks of it, it was just what it needed because it is printing mighty fine. So yeah, I'm super keen. I'm super keen to get this finished. Oh, now that looks fun. I was going to say I was a little bit worried about that there, but it looks fine, I think. Yeah, no, it looks fine. I'm super keen. Should be good when it is finished. Hope you guys enjoy some printing ASMR. So they're coming along nicely. I feel like if you haven't already guessed what it is, it's pretty obvious. But they're coming along nicely. So just a quick update as to how my print's going. I feel like it's becoming more obvious as to what they actually are. So I am printing 2 different sizes, a smaller one and a larger one of the same thing. I'd like to point out, if I can get in there, that right about, wait, if I can point it out, right out there, I actually thought that was a ladder shift when I first saw it, but nope, it's just the print. But yeah, no, it's coming along nicely. I think we've got about 3 hours left. Just over 2 hours left, so hopefully this bad boy will be done before I go to bed, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it's finally finished printing, and as you can see, it is an octopus, and to be specific, it is a Flapjack Octopus. Okay, so time to... Oh, that was super easy to get off the build plate. Interrupt this broadcast because Cozy would like to say hello. Do you have a message for the people, Cozy? I think his message is that he is hungry and he'd like food. Is that correct? Right, now that Cozy's being fed, thought I'd give you a closer look. I printed it in Galaxy Blue, which is this very pretty girly blue filament. Yeah, no, and I printed like a smaller version. So it's been printed in this gorgeous galaxy blue filament. You can hear how it sounds. But yeah, no, these flapjacks do look pretty cute. MatMireMakes always does a good job with whatever he makes.